Hey everyone, it's Kathy with Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, an eco-friendly house cleaning business here in the Poconos, Pennsylvania. So I have a new product to try out and review. It's from Ecos, and this one is a Ginger Plus scent. I have to tell you, it smells so good, so gingery. I feel like I'm in a bakery. That's how good it smells. But yeah, it's made with water, alcohol, essential oils, and a bunch of other plant-derived ingredients. So yeah, it's a pretty cool eco-friendly product, and I'm gonna try it on these beautiful wooden kitchen cabinets just to kind of clean them and spruce them up. Oh my God, it smells so good. Very gingerbread-like. It's ginger, but it definitely has a little bit of like a citrus smell behind it too. And it has that kind of ginger spice smell to it. You know when you taste something with a little ginger, little kick to it, that little spice? That's what it smells like, if I can explain it. So, yeah, I mean, does a pretty nice job cleaning wood cabinets for an all-purpose cleaner. So there you have it. Ecos. This is the Ginger Plus smell. Love it. If you like sweet, it really does kind of have like a ginger spice kick to it. I love it. I really like the smell of it. Pretty good eco-friendly cleaner. Bye. Kathy from Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Have a nice day.